This is the JVC Everio GZ-MS120.
Oh 7.1 in Ortley Beach, 99.7 in Brighton Beach. This is The Breeze. I'm Sue Infante with Pat Benatar, and we belong in the ice cream store. Apparently, the average American eats about 5.5 gallons of ice cream per year. Guess that makes me way above average, because I eat way more than that.
Hi, this is Paul Rotella, president of the New Jersey Broadcasters Association, of which this station is a member. The NJBA, along with all of our other broadcast members, are dedicated to equal employment